The question is, Dr. Richter says, in Quran and in Bible there is written, who wants to serve God has to serve mankind. My questions are, first, what Ahmadiyya Jamaat is doing for old people, like building special houses for old people where they can live together in Germany. And secondly, what Jamaat is doing for the integration of young people so that they can live peacefully and satisfied in Germany.
The answer to the first part is that Jamaat is against building old people's houses, because the old people have their right place in their own family. If the family is not taking care of them, they should not be handed over to the state to take care for them. They are responsible for the old people, and the Holy Quran pays the stress on this subject, lays special stress on this subject, that you should be extremely grateful to what your parents have been doing for you when you were a child. You depended entirely upon them, and you behaved in a manner that many a time they lost their night sleep as well as the day sleep because of your crying, your illness, your misbehavior, and so on and so forth. So when they grow old in your presence, you be extremely kind to them and dutiful to them, and do not say even if at something they do because of the old age. So to build old people's homes and hand them over to the state is extreme cruelty to them. And Jamaat Ahmadiyya will never support such a practice by any state. In Ahmadi houses, the old people live in their own houses, and you will not see a single Ahmadi in their old homes, as you call them. Number two is